So, you have an idea. Maybe it's a character, a scene, a whisper of something bigger. But how do you take that spark and turn it into a book? Premise to publication, the writing process explained, is the book that shows you how. From first word to final edit, Julie L. Kusma guides writers step by step through the entire process. With 50 plus worksheets, checklists, infographics, and tools to help you plan, write, and finish your book. Plot structure, character arcs, world building, POV decisions, self-editing strategies, publishing options. It's all here, explained clearly, designed for action, and built for real writers at any level. Whether you're just beginning or trying to finally finish, this is the book that helps you do more than dream. It helps you write. Premise to publication, the writing process explained by Julie L. Kusma. Open the cover, start your story, available now. Also available is the children's book used as examples throughout Premise to Publication, Max's Megalodon-sized anxiety.